So in this video, we're going to be installing the Ascend Collision Overwatch software. So it's pretty simple. All you got to do is enter your email ID. Let's just go with this, right? And then enter your other details, after which you can simply hit pay. Yep. And as you can see, a receipt along with some licensing details will be emailed to the entered email address. And the email with the license key should look something like this, where you have a link to the installer over here, which you can download, and the license key with the product ID itself. So once you download the Ascend installer, you want to double click it, and you should be greeted with a pop-up window like this. So here it's pretty simple. You just enter in the license key details you were emailed along with the product ID. Yep. And the first thing you want to do is hit verify activation license, and you'll see that we have one machine available, and the verification was successful. After which you will want to put in the IP address of the drone which on which you're trying to install the software, and the port is 22 by default, and the username should be root or any username you have on the drone. Essentially, this is supposed to be the port upon which you can shell into the drone. And you can enter in your password 3, and then you can click retrieve drone info. This is to make sure that you can connect to the drone and that we are able to see the details such as machine code. So we have that working. And as you can see, it's unregistered. And now when I hit install, it's going to pull the binaries and install it with this license. And as you can see, the status change is registered, and that's because the software was successfully installed. And yep, that's all it is. Thanks for watching.